This is a static picture, and this is a video from that static picture. So this video was created by an AI model called Veo 2, which is the best AI model for creating a video by Google. It is even better than Sora and other competing models. But unfortunately, if you want to use Veo 2 to turn any picture into a moving video, you have to be on the Gemini Advanced plan, which will cost you $20 a month. But that's not our only option, because it is quite possible to use this AI model to turn a picture into a moving video. So let me show you how you can turn any picture into a video using Veo 2 completely for free. Alright, first let's navigate to aistudio.google.com. This is the URL that you must visit, and by the way, I'll leave the link in the video description. And by the way, while you're there, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, after you have opened the website, you can sign into your Google account. Basically, just give it access and then go to VideoGen. So if you're accessing this page, the VideoGen page for the first time, it's going to ask you to let the tool to access your Google Drive account. Just give it permission, because the video that is going to be generated will be stored in that account. So you have to give it access. After that, you'll see this user interface. Now, I'm going to turn this picture of a corgi into a video. Now, click on this button and then click upload image. And then just select the picture that you want to upload. Now you can tell, or you can describe some prompt, like for example, I'm going to tell AI that I want to make this dog to face the camera. So look at the camera. There you go. Now do not click run yet, because there are other settings that you might want to take a look at. Here you can select the model. Right now there's only Veo 2, so that's the only model we have. And the number of results, you can switch between 1 to 2. Not much, but I guess just one image or one video per generation. And then aspect ratio would be 16:9 or 9:16, but I think I'm gonna be using 16:9. Video duration is between 5 to 8 seconds. And lastly, you cannot change frame rate and resolution at the moment, but you can add some negative prompt if you want to. But that's basically it. If you're done with all the settings and the image and also the prompt, you can click run and just wait for Gemini to create the picture. Sorry, not Gemini, but actually it is Veo 2. Now, sometimes you'll see this message and it's actually quite common. It's not very clear why, but usually you can click the run again and usually the problem will go away. And also it is worth mentioning that this AI tool is quite restrictive. Like it is not going to allow you to create a video that could be deemed as violent or maybe offensive. And I have to emphasize this, it is very, very sensitive. It doesn't want to create anything that could give a negative light to Google. So you have to be thoughtful when creating a video using image on this Google AI Studio. But anyway, this process will take a while, and I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. Alright, we got the result. Let me show you the result of the video. So I'm going to play the video, and as you can see, it looks really, really amazing. It's almost like a real video. And yes, this dog is looking at the camera. That's exactly what I want to happen. So I would say it's really amazing. If you send this video to me 2 years ago, I won't believe it, that it was created by AI. But now it is a possibility that we can mimic something that's almost like a real video, but it was actually not real. So that's pretty amazing. And by the way, you can download this video. You can click on this button, or you can click this button to export the file to your Google Drive account. So that's basically how you can utilize Google AI Studio to use the Veo 2 model to convert any photo into a video. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video to be useful. And in any case, I wish you a great day ahead. Have a great day.